Depersonalization, derealization disorder. Feeling out of the body most of the time and disconnected from the environment is what is DDD. Now, most of you who are in your spiritual awakening journey and are experiencing the symptoms of depersonalization, derealization disorder must know that it is not connected to your body-mind problem. It is connected to energetic shift, and that has led to this condition where you feel out of the body and you feel that you are watching your body from outside. You cannot integrate with the body. This happens during your Kundalini awakening journey, during your spiritual awakening journey, when your spirit or energy is taking you inward and your energy is withdrawn from the body and mind. And this condition is diagnosed externally as a mental health condition in which you are declared as having DDD, and this disorder cannot be treated on the mental level. If you feel that it is a kind of hallucination, that you are feeling out of your body most of the time, then it is not connected to your thought or imaginary condition. It is real. This energetic condition is real in the spiritual awakening journey. And so, in this video, I will be sharing with you some of the great techniques, the secret techniques that I teach my students, and also I have applied to myself during my Kundalini awakening journey over a period of 25 plus years, and this has helped me a lot. I will be sharing few techniques that will work with you immediately, and if you need my personal consulting and you want to work on yourself with me, with the Guru, then you can join the Phoenix project, where you will get the opportunity to transform yourself into an integrated person who is presently out of the body and not being able to come to the body to live this life. Most of the time, depersonalization means you are out of your body and you see yourself as operating from outside the body. It is like you are somewhere here in your auric field and you feel that you are watching this body functioning in life from a top view, from a helicopter view, and you feel that you are dead. You are not in the body, you are not in the physical body, and you are somewhere in the different dimension from which you are watching and observing yourself. So this condition is called depersonalization. And the next condition is your disconnection from the immediate environment. For example, I am sitting on the floor right now. But when I sit on the floor, I don't feel this floor. If I touch the wall, I am not feeling the touch of the wall. I am not feeling the air around me. I am not feeling the spatial. I do not have the spatial awareness. And this affects your brain a lot. Your brain is actually not able to perform the cognitive function as well as the creative functions. It is not able to perform up to the optimum mark so that you feel human being. So, apply the techniques immediately while watching this video and you will find that, yes, I could feel somehow being present in this body right now, right here. And do this quick, fast, don't waste your time. Some of the techniques you can apply with me while watching this video, and some you can apply it immediately after watching the video. But do it now, do it today. Or else you will be lost in the world and nobody will be able to understand you, because this has been the case with most of my students who are going through spiritual awakening, and they feel disconnected, disassociated from everything. And then they seek my help to get into the body, and when they apply these techniques, they get results immediately. So first technique is come to the body through brain. How to do it? It's a simple technique. I have explained it multiple times in my videos, but still here I will be explaining you again, and do it with me This is the external Kumbhak technique. This external Kumbhak techniques works very simply but has great effects immediately. So you need to inhale, then you need to exhale completely, and then you need to hold your breath. Now this technique I will do it on the floor because it will be beneficial for you immediately if you do it on the floor in squat pose or malasana. So you need to sit like this in malasana and then inhale slowly. Keep your eyes closed while you do this. Inhale slowly. Then exhale completely from your nose. And then hold your breath. And release. This you do multiple times. I will do it, show it here once again. And then take few breaths. This you do 10 times at one go or for 3 to 5 minutes continuously so that you will feel the difference in your concentration, in your focus. Your brain fog will be reduced and you will come to the body. Your brain will be first aware of your body, and that is what is needed. Next is try to touch things. For example, try to drink water in this earthen pot, something like this, and see that you are feeling the water. This will bring awareness of your 5 senses. So feel this with your 5 senses. Similarly, along with water, touch the fruits or vegetables, whatever is available in your home, and feel it. These are the grounding fruits. This is ginger. You try to feel it, like a grip on it, a hold on it, and you will feel that you are feeling so much different and so much powerful. You are becoming earthly. Likewise, this is flower. You can smell it, make use of it, your 5 senses completely. Then this is lemon. You can touch it, feel it, and be with it. Feel it. This is the environment. This will connect you to the earth immediately. So this is what? This is potato. You touch it and feel it. Next is onion. You touch it, feel it. So all these things will bring you to earth and you will feel amazing. You will feel amazing. These are the flowers. Rose, dahlia, so many flowers. Feel it. And it will bring you to your body. It will bring you, connect you to the environment. So this is just the sample. You can apply it with your kitchen, with your immediate environment, whatever you are, and you will see that this is a huge shift. And the last technique is wiping the floor. How to do it? When you do it, make use of your full body. For example, like this, you spread your body in all directions and do it. This will bring you aware of the environment around you, and you'll feel that a great shift has happened and you're feeling, and focus on the activity. Focus on the wiping activity. You can spread your legs like this and do like this. It will bring you totally in your body and you will feel that you have come to life. So these are quick and practical secrets that will work for coming to the body and connected to the environment. And for the first time, you will feel that you are not having any DDD problem that cannot be healed or cured. Externally, in the medical science, you will not get any results. If you do this, you will get a hope. All right? Take action, it works. Bye-bye.